Okay guys, we are going to be making a foldable that goes into our notebooks, and it's using this sheet and this sheet. Both of these sheets you were given in class today. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to cut out around the dotted lines where it says the word atom. Make sure that you include the dotted lines in what you're cutting out. So the dotted line should still show. Once you finish cutting out your piece, it should look like this, and see how my dotted lines are showing. Then I'm going to set this to the side, and I'm going to cut out this entire shape as one piece. So I'm going to cut all around here on all the dark outside lines. And I'm going to do that for both of my pieces. I'm going to cut both of my pieces on the dark outside lines. This extra sheet that says atom, you will not need. All right, you should be done cutting now, and you should have 3 pieces. You should have a piece that looks like this, a piece that looks like this, and a piece that looks like this. Everything else is trash, and you can throw it away. Now, for this next part, you're going to need your glue, and you are going to take this piece that has the drawings on it, and you are going to fold on the dotted lines right here and right here, folding in. So you're folding like this. So I've taken my pieces and I've folded them in. Like this. Now I can kind of unfold my piece a little, and this middle piece right here that says the word atom on it, I'm going to put glue on the back, just on the middle section. I'm then going to take the part that I have glued, and I'm going to glue it to the middle section of this piece. So I'm gluing the middle section of this piece to the middle section of this piece. When I'm finished, it should look like this, so that the middle sections are glued together, but my flaps on either side are movable. Now comes the part where we are going to glue it into our notebooks. In class today, we completed this page right here, and this was page 14. What we are going to glue in for homework tonight is not going to be page 14. We're going to skip 2 pages. So you're going to skip page 15 because we have not done this page yet. You're also going to skip page 16. This is another page that we're going to do in class. You're going to be gluing your homework tonight on page 17, facing this way. So on the right side, you are going to take and glue in your items, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So notice on page 17, which is what we're filling in, on the left-hand side there is a sheet that you have not been given yet. It will end up looking like this, but this is something we are going to be working on in class. So you need to leave space on the left side for this handout. So tonight's homework should go on the right side, and you should take your piece that looks like this, and you should glue it at the top on the right-hand side. And it should say atom. And then you are going to take this piece that you have where only the middle parts have been glued, and you're going to take the back of it and glue only the middle part to the notebook. That way you still have your flaps that will open like pages in a book. And then those pieces should just be able to fold in. This is how you should bring it to class tomorrow, completed, so that we can fill in notes on the back pages together. In your table of contents, this page should be titled Atomic Foldable. on page 17, Atomic Foldable. All right, if you need to review these instructions again, you can always rewind this video and go back so that you can look at it as many times as you need. But please make sure you have it completed as soon as you enter class tomorrow. Thanks, have fun.